students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 20 meters more than the shorter side of it. If the shorter side is 10 meters less than the longer side, find the sides of the rectangular field. So we have a rectangular field like this. Okay, let's suppose the longer side is x. Okay, and so the shorter side is 10 meters less than the longer side. That means the shorter side will be x minus 10. And diagonal of the rectangular field is 20 meters more than the shorter side. Shorter side this plus 20 will be diagonal. So x minus 10 plus 20, which is x plus 10. So diagonal is x plus 10. And for a rectangular field, this will be 90 degree. So in this triangle A, B, C, Pythagoras theorem is applicable because it is a right angle triangle where right angle is here. So sum of square of these two sides will be equals to hypotenuse square, right? That means according to Pythagoras, AC square plus BC square is equals to AB square, correct? So AC is x square plus BC is x minus 10 the whole square is equals to AB square, which is x plus 10 the whole square. Let's open this. X square minus x square plus x square minus 20x plus 100, correct, is equals to x square plus 20x plus 100. So 100 will cancel out, x square will cancel out. So terms we have is x square, this x square, and this will go on the opposite side. It will become 20x plus 20x, which is 40x, and x will cancel out 1x. So this will be x is equals to 40. So our longer side is equals to 40, and shorter side is 10 less than longer side, which is x minus 10, which is equals to 40 minus 10 is equals to 30. So our two sides are 40 and 30 respectively. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.